In today's video, I'm going to teach you part 1. Install the Google Drive app, workspace level. This setup makes Google Drive available to everyone in your Slack workspace with a single install, so you don't need each person to do it one by one. Any member can complete it, and if you're an organization owner or admin, you can also manage it from your admin dashboard. I'll walk you through the simple flow from a desktop browser, which is the recommended way to do it. Start by opening your desktop browser and heading to the Slack app directory page for Google Drive. If you're already in Slack, you can open the app directory from the Apps section and search for Google Drive. Otherwise, a quick web search for Slack app directory Google Drive will take you straight to the correct page. Make sure you're signed in to the Slack workspace where you want the app installed so the install buttons apply to the right place. On the Google Drive listing page, click Add to Slack. This kicks off the installation process for your workspace rather than just for your personal account. On the next page, you'll see a prompt to add Google Drive app. Click that to proceed. If your workspace requires admin approval for apps, you may see a notice about pending approval. In that case, an admin can approve the app from the admin dashboard, but the steps you're taking here remain the same. You'll then be asked to grant initial access permissions to Slack. Click Allow. These permissions let Slack connect to Google Drive on behalf of your workspace so the app can share files, unfurl links, and help with searches. If you're not signed into a Google account yet, you may be prompted to sign in or select an account. Choose the appropriate account for your work. Remember, you're granting the baseline access needed for the integration to function. You can review permissions later in your Google account and Slack app management settings if needed. Once you've allowed access, the Google Drive app will be installed at the workspace level. That means teammates will find Google Drive listed under Apps in Slack, and when they use it for the first time, they can connect their own Google accounts individually. If you're an owner or admin, you can also manage the app, like approving, restricting, or removing it directly from the admin dashboard. That's it for part 1. You've successfully installed the Google Drive app for your Slack workspace, setting the foundation for seamless file sharing and collaboration.